For over 100 years, situated atop a hillock near Land's End, Bandra, overlooking the Arabian Sea, is Mount Mary's Basilica, a beautiful edifice in stone that simply stands out in its grandeur, an abode of tranquility, peace, reassurance, and hope. The history of the current statue of Our Lady dates back to the 16th century when Jesuit priests from Portugal got the statue to the current place and built a chapel. The statue has a fascinating history. It is told that a Koli fisherman dreamed of finding a statue in the sea, and the statue was found floating in the sea between 1700 and 1760. The Koli fishermen refer to the statue as Moth Mauli, which means the Pearl Mother. Moth started being called Mount and Mauli meaning Mother. The earlier statue is restored and enjoys the special place of honor in the Basilica. People of all religions, mainly Hindu and Koli Christians, often visit the shrine and ask Mother Mary to bless them with their intentions. While it is best to pray to Mother Mary for her blessings and intentions to bring healing to self or family and friends, buying a wax figure from the counters outside of the church is traditional. These wax items depict various parts of the body. For healing in the leg, devotees would offer a wax item of the leg. For the whole body, you can offer a wax figure of the body. Those asking for prayers for other intentions can offer house and other wax items. You can also offer candles and flowers in the box next to the altar. For those who are in need of divine grace, to all of you who are troubled with the problems of daily life, come and venerate at the shrine of Mary. She is the mother of all mankind. She will grant you solace, understanding, and hope. Mother Mary leaves no one unaided.